talk about tech. Green computing reduces energy consumption, lowering carbon footprints, minimizes electronic waste through recycling and sustainable disposal, promotes eco-friendly tech design like energy-efficient devices. Technology powers our lives, but it also impacts our planet. This is where green computing comes in. Green computing means using computers and its resources in ways that reduce energy consumption, minimize waste, and protect the environment. Organizations and individuals can work together adopting eco-friendly practices, recycling old electronics, and innovating sustainably. Green computing protects sustainability. Green computing isn't just about technology. It's about responsibility. Together, let's compute smarter and live greener.